In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format on Monday. Start by going to monday.com and logging into your account. Once you're signed in and looking at your workspace, head to the top corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you can access your personal settings. From that menu, click My Profile. This takes you into the area where you can manage account-level preferences, including how dates are displayed throughout Monday. If you've ever found the default date style confusing, this is where you can fix it so it matches the format you're used to seeing every day. Inside your profile settings, look for the option called Language and Region, then click it. This section controls location-based settings, and date format is one of them. You may need to scroll a little to find the exact setting, depending on your screen size and the layout you're seeing. Once you're in Language and Region, scroll down until you see Date Format. When you find it, click the current format to open the available options. You'll be able to choose the version you prefer, such as day, month, year, or month, day, year, depending on what feels most natural for you or what your team uses. Select your preferred day format and then give Monday, a moment to apply the change. In many cases, the update happens automatically, so you may notice the new format appear right away across boards, items, and date columns. If it doesn't seem to change instantly, just wait a few seconds and let the platform refresh the setting. That's it. Your date format is now updated. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that changing the setting affects how dates are displayed for your account. So if you work with an international team, other users may still see dates based on their own settings. That can be useful if everyone prefers a different regional format, but it's also a good reason to double-check important deadlines when collaborating. If you're ever unsure whether the new format has been applied correctly, open a board with a date column and look at any existing date entry. That's usually the fastest way to confirm the change. And if needed, you can always go back to the same language and region section and switch to a different format later. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the day format on Monday. And now your workspace should feel a lot more intuitive to use.